best bread you've ever heard of or seen in your entire life. It'll come. Iron! So, iron does appear at this level. Maybe a little bit further down though, right? Huh. So we will dig like this. Yes, and we will continue our hunt for iron, I say. Let's do that. Let us continue to search for iron. As you should. As one should do, and we can even veer off in different directions if we want to. Is that coal again? No. I hallucinated coal. I thought I saw coal for some reason. There's none. It's okay. It's alright. I'm gonna dig this out so I can make another one. Still not enough iron to make a bucket though. Not enough. Let's make 3. No, let's make 4 actually. So we're gonna be mining a lot. This. You can hear the stomping down the hall and the background sounds. Or is the polar pattern on this preventing it from being picked up that much? Do wonder. Because there is a pattern on this where it picks up sound in front of it. I think that's pretty much common on like all mics now though. Unless you're doing ASMR and you have it pick up on the left and right so you can whisper into someone's ear. Whisper something. Hello, I am whispering into your ear right now. Okay, sorry about that. Shouldn't have done that. I overstepped some boundaries by doing that, but sometimes to innovate, you gotta overstep boundaries to become an ASMR innovator. Going to have to tread the line. Can we get much higher? Also have to dig it out, cause he's digging me. He's digging me. I'm being dug in. He's digging out. Sometimes he's digging, other times he's digging again. Sometimes you get dug. Douglas. What do you think on that name? Was my iron find a fluke? Was it all a fluke? I know, but I found it. I found the iron, it couldn't have been. I'm just gonna keep going in a straight line. What? My heart. Does that mean that in the direction I heard the sound, because it came from a certain direction, I heard it this way and I turned and it wasn't as loud, so are my earbuds in right? Yeah, I have the left one in, put the right one in. So this way is the direction from whence I heard it. It was this way. I know I heard it come from here. Yes, I'm digging towards the horrifying sound. I want to see if it leads me to a cave. Forget that beautiful symmetrical hallway. Does this strange sound take me to some new place? Can I get much higher?